Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.